Do you want to know? Well, I think that we...
Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I have a beauty box. I found it. I don't know how I found it. It was just there all of a sudden. I thought, okay, that's cheap. I need that. So before we dive in, I want to say my name is Diana. I'm 53 years old and I love makeup, regular makeup, bold lips, bold eye makeup, hair care, skincare, nails, jewelry, expensive jewelry, cheap jewelry, vintage, secondhand, designer bags, vintage bags, secondhand, cheap bags, high-end makeup, drugstore. I do every beauty related and vacation and things we do, and I do reviews, tutorials, unboxings, hauls, collabs. Try on, and I talk about everything from menopause to children to anxiety, loneliness, empty nester. Nothing is taboo here on my channel. I run a little text over the screen and I hope you use it and become a little member of my channel. If you are a returner, welcome back. It warms my heart. New and old ones, let's just dig into this. I was sitting and scrolling the internet and I was looking at a site I have looked at a lot of time, but I have never ordered from there. And then I saw this Beauty After Dark makeup for Halloween nights. Look at this beautiful packaging. Isn't it beautiful? I think it's beautiful. Yeah. It is from Notino. And let's just take this out. I really like this. I will keep this box because I love this makeup. I actually did a makeup like that with my BFF ones. Okay. Cute, spooky, iconic. Inside this box lives your new Halloween alter ego, waiting to be drawn, smudged and brought to life. Let your creativity run wild. XOXO Notino. Yeah. Time to master your resting witch face. Look. And then here. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, it was cheap when I found it. Now it costs $12 more or something like that, so I'm happy. Paw peeling big pad, green grape paw peeling pad, Fruitia. What's that? I think they are good. It is Korean. I can see that it is Korean. My daughter likes K-pop music, so Korean, I can always see if it's Korean. Then there is brush heart hair. These beautiful clips. Let's just take it out so you can see. There is 3. They're beautiful and they look very solid. Yeah, it's very good clips. Okay, I really like them. That's number 2 thing. What's that here? Only that it is for the hair. That was 2. Number 3, water gel tint Dear Darling. Looks like that. Dear Darling. Focus, focus, focus. You can if you will. Thank you. Etude Dracula Red. Yeah. This is a look. Ooh. This I saw cost one box and a little extra for this alone. Oh my god. That's such a nice tin. Oh my god, I think this is a good tin. Look at that full size tin. I'll try it in the end because else this costs more than the box itself. And then there is from Notino witch wipes. Oh, beautiful purple. Ooh, we like. And then there is from Rimmel London Wanderlust Shadow Stick in Mermaid Blush. This pink one here. Let's just have it. Open it. Oh my god, that is beautiful. It doesn't look pink, right? But on the hand, it does look pink. Little mermaid right there. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. 006 Mermaid Blush. Yeah. Wanderlust. That's a good one. Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask Extreme Detox Hydrator. This is good. I have tried this before. I had it in a big one. This is just for 2 times or something like that. But it is a very good mask. And they are not cheap. And then we got a Nubia eyeliner pen, ultra black. Don't want to open it because I have eyeliners that's so, but it is for the felt tip. And then from Lancome there is this, what is it called, in shade 10. Lancome. Ooh, what's that? It has such a pinky sheen. Can you see that? Yeah. Lancome. And then from Lancome we got a lipstick from Lancome. And this is in red. Oh my god, I think I already had this one, I'm not sure. Look at that deep red. I gave $14 for this, and let me just show you what I got. All of it. I got these peeling pads. Yeah, there is how many is in here? I don't know if there's 3 or 10 in here, but there's this peeling mask here, and Rimmel Wanderlust eye stick, Peter Thomas Roth mask, and there is this water gel tint in full size, nail in full size, 2 Lancome products, a tint or oil, Lancome oil, and a red Lancome lipstick, and a eyeliner felt tip. That was 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 products for about, let me see, $14 I think. 13 or $14. And this tint is just fantastic. It costs the double. Now, oh my god. Look at that, and that's a tint. Let me take it off. I think, oh my god, it already stained my hand. Okay, that will be good. I want to do a review. Let me know if you want me to sometimes test things on TikTok, because there you can do small videos and then show one thing at a time or 2 things or something. Please let me know if that is something you think is amazing, because I will do that. That was all for this, what's it called? Dark Allure. I can't remember what's the name. Beauty After Dark. It's beautiful. I will keep this because I think it's so beautiful. Red lips, red lips. Yeah, that was all for this Beauty After Dark unboxing. What do you think of the things I got? I think it was an amazing box, because here in Denmark things are expensive. So when you find a good deal, take it. Take it, I just want to say. That was all for this unboxing of the Beauty After Dark from Notino Beauty Box. Please leave a comment what you think, and smack a like button if you like this video. It means a lot to me and the algorithm on YouTube. And don't forget, you can love each other from afar, but much closer is much nicer. Kisses and hugs from me to you. Have a fantastic day wherever you are and what you're doing. And I will see you very soon again. Bye!